I'm Randy and I make candy, and tonight I'm making coconut cream fudge. Stick around. Greetings my confectionery compadres, and welcome to Randy Makes Candy, where I help you make tasty treats that people love to eat. Well compadres, we're in week 4 of Fudge-a-Palooza. National Fudge Day is going to be here before we know it, but by golly, we're going to be ready. I don't know about you, but coconut cream pie is one of my absolute favorite desserts, and if you've been around for a while, you know I'm crazy about coconut in my candy. Well, tonight we bring them together into a coconut cream fudge that I think you're really going to love. As always, I'd love to hear about your results if you decide to make your own coconut cream fudge, as well as suggestions for other recipes you'd like to see in future videos. For this recipe, I'm using 2 cups of sugar, 1/2 cup of butter, 2/3 of a cup of evaporated milk, 7 ounces of marshmallow cream, 12 ounces of white chocolate, 3 cups of shredded coconut, and 1 teaspoon of coconut flavoring. I'm also using an 8x8 pan, some parchment, a baking sheet, some aluminum foil, a 4-quart sauce pot, a thermometer, and a couple of spatulas. Okay, let's make some candy. Line the 8x8 pan with parchment, then set it aside. Set your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Spread 1/2 cup of the coconut on a lined baking sheet and bake it for 6 minutes, stirring at the halfway mark. Add the sugar, butter, and evaporated milk to a 4-quart pot. Cook the mixture over medium heat until it comes to a boil. Add a thermometer and continue cooking until the mixture reaches 230 degrees Fahrenheit. Turn off the stove and immediately add the white chocolate and marshmallow cream. Stir until everything is melted and smooth. Add the untoasted coconut and coconut extract and mix until everything is combined. Spread the fudge evenly into the lined pan. And sprinkle the toasted coconut evenly over the top of the fudge. Press the coconut gently into the fudge to help it adhere. Place the fudge in the refrigerator for about 4 hours or until firm. Remove the fudge from the pan and cut it into whatever size pieces you'd like. And that's it. Okay, let's have a taste. Slancheva. This is phenomenally good. The fudge is smooth and creamy, the toasted coconut gives it the perfect crunch, and the untoasted coconut makes for a really nice chew. It's also surprisingly light and fluffy. Flavor-wise, it's got just the right amount of sweetness, and the coconut flavor really shines through. If you're at all a fan of coconut, you really ought to try these. If you enjoyed your time here in the Candy Kitchen, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for sticking around, and I hope you'll join me next time. 2/3 of a... No, I'm not doing that. That's not true. Flavor-wise, it's just